Well, we are at Vermont Nature Trail. It's my daughter's first time in St. Vincent, so showing her the jungle. Water. Oh, guava seed. So, right now, we're going up a trail. My brother up there. Come on, Chantal, let's go.
Okay. Follow.
Fresh drinking water.
Tastes like river. You know what it tastes like? Chlorine.
Tastes like what?
Chlorine.
Yeah, it tastes like chlorine.
It tastes like Aquafina.
So, you see it there. You want to try to catch some crayfish with the hand. See a bad man. See a bad man catch crayfish with the hand. Here comes the Congo man. Congo man a come, the Congo man a come. Once in a fall long, Congo man a come. That Congo man right there.